What's the meaning of couture? Couture. Couture.
Couture. Couture. Couture refers to the design, creation, and production of high-fashion clothing, typically made from the highest quality materials and requiring skilled craftsmanship. The term is often used in reference to haute couture, which denotes the highest level of designer fashion, characterized by custom fits and unique designs. Couture fashion often involves luxurious fabrics, intricate embellishments, and avant-garde styling, resulting in one-of-a-kind pieces that are highly sought after by fashion enthusiasts and collectors. In short, couture represents the pinnacle of fashion design and is synonymous with exclusivity, elegance, and sophistication.